Okay, we got ourselves a classic here, a 1994 Toyota Supra. This one is driven on the right hand side. I guess it's the Toyota Japan style. Pretty nice. I'm gonna go ahead and arm the alarm. That will arm the alarm and lock your doors. I'm gonna go ahead and disarm it. Unlock your doors. We gave him the app, so he's able to do everything from the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and lock. That will arm it. Okay. Then it will tell you the doors are locked. The picture, the database didn't have an old enough picture like this car, but he went ahead and put the new Toyota Supra there, which is fine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hit unlock, and that will unlock the doors. Turns off the alarm. Then this is the voltage of the battery of the actual unit at the actual car. This is the signal of the unit of the vehicle. It'll tell you the doors are unlocked now. Okay, and then to remote start it, you're gonna hit this little guy here. Okay, and that will remote start the car. I give him even though this car is gasoline, but it takes a long time for fuel to travel, I programmed like if it was diesel, the diesel delay. So it turns on the car since it's turbo and all that. And I give him the diesel delay. Car started right up. Gets you the run time here. Okay. And then to track it, you're gonna hit this little guy here, but for security reasons, I don't want to show location. Giving them the countdown. It's 20 minutes going backwards. Okay, to turn it off, I'm going to turn it off again from the phone. Okay, and you can always do it from here. You arm it, disarm it, and if you press this twice, it remote starts the car. I went ahead and also gave him the turbo timer. So in other words, if he starts the car, okay, it's a nice little feature. Okay. And he gets home after a long drive. You want to cool off the turbo, press this little guy here twice. Okay, you can remove the key. Car stays running. Okay, go ahead and shut it off, but it will stay running for like 2 or 3 minutes and cool off the turbo. It's a nice little feature. That's pretty much it, and then I'm going to go ahead and trigger it. I'm going to arm the alarm. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the vehicle. The alarm will fire off. Should be able to get the alert on his phone. This is in a 1994 Toyota Supra. The installation was done here in Miami by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We thank you for watching this video.